complex program.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Scratch lesson. I'm glad you're here. Let's get started.
So this is going to be our game. Click on green flag, and the game is about catching the apple. You get to move the cat left and right, and we're going to make the apple fall. And we're gonna make the score. And whenever you don't catch the apple, the score your score loses by 1. So we're gonna get started into it. So by choosing a backdrop, which is the easiest one, which is the blue sky, and change the sprite one into a cat, you just see his sprite and change it into a cat. And choose a sprite which is apple. Okay. Then the cat is already good with its position. Then what you want to do is go to events and when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked is when everything gets started. So we're gonna go to motion and go to -1, which is the x, and y -108. So this is whenever we start a game, it doesn't like go over here or go over here. It stays to its position. Let's say like it wants to go over here, like that. So we want to move it now. So get forever. You might just think you just add move 10 steps, but that's not it. You have to get the if, but with it is the forever. Forever, if then what you want to go to sensing. And then you'll see key space pressed. You want to choose either right or left. It starts with left. If you want to go left, move 10 -10 steps because it's like moving on a number line. The number line is like from the left is the negative, from the right is positive. So we want to go -10 steps, which is the left. And then a cool trick to to be quicker, you want to right click on the block you want and you see duplicate, add comment or delete 3 box. You want to duplicate and then put it in here. Then change this into right arrow and change this number into 10 steps because we want to go on the positive. Now it is moving just like how we want to. Now we're going to the apple. The apple, we start when green flag clicked. And of course we're gonna add a variable, but not right now. But we're gonna go to motion, go to X, but you would want to pick random because you want to go like not just one position. So it's gonna be -240 to 240 and the y should be 180. Then we get a forever, then get over here change y by -5. So that's how we make it move down. Then we would want to so when we catch it we get a score, but before that we need variables, which is for the score. You could just make a new variable name like this, score, for all sprites. Or you could just right click on my variable and rename variable, or you could just delete it. Then we would want to go to control and grab it if. Then we would want if touching the cat, change score by 1. But before that, we would want to set the score to 0. So it always be 0. Then we would want so change score by 1. So when we catch the apple, see, but the apple, it is not touching the cat and does not give us the point we want. See, it's like kind of bugged. So that's when we would want to grab the same block, so this one. But if you accidentally grabbed all of this, you could just grab the thing from under it and put it over here. And put it in like under it. So like when we catch it, we only catch 1. But we would want this not infinite, we would want it to be kind of challenging. So we would duplicate this, but instead of touching the cat, we would make it from operators if the thing that we want to make this -1, and then go to motion and get Y position, because that will detect the position of the apple from the Y axis. We wanted to make it 1, I think 180 or -180. Wait, let me check. Okay. Yeah, no. So we will want to do a -180. Then it will do it again, just like this. Now here we have made the game. Just zoom in. Here the score is working, and whenever it drops, it's like that. So that was our code, and that's it.
Alright everyone, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.